We're in Dong Dip house. You look at that.
Take your hand, did you?
Dong Dip
drop
liquor.
that, don't drop
Oh
that
my
ball.
God, it's good. I hold it tight.
Take it with the hand.
Oh, there's a picture, a video, I mean. And we can. Oh, hey girl, we got the dog in here. Look, a big head. A big head. And we do grill. See? We do a deer meat grill. Oh gosh. This is Dong Dip and Mimi's house. And bye. Do smile on it. Do smile. That's anyhow I make. Anyhow they're made. Sauce. And here is different. You can drink the liquor and the chaser is a beer. Yeah, here different from the Philippines. The Philippines, if you drink like this, you chaser like water and Coke. But here, if you drink like this liquor, you can chaser beer. Cheers. Now guys, it's already 8 o'clock. 8 evening. I can't believe we still have the sun. That time.
Where you buy that meat?
No, that's a deer meat. Oh yeah.
We got it in the freezer.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
That's
the
a long time ago.
Oh, I don't know that.
That's a long time ago. That's last year, man.
It's freezer there.
Yeah. I thought yet what kind of meat you asked.